Hey there, you're sending a large amount of money to a friend or family member using Venmo, only to find out you've hit your transfer limit. Frustrating, right? Well, fear not. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to check your Venmo transfer limit and understand the factors that influence it. Let's dive in. What is a transfer limit? A transfer limit is a restriction placed on the amount of money you can send or receive through a payment platform like Venmo. This limit is often put in place to prevent fraudulent activities and ensure the safety of users. Factors affecting your Venmo transfer limit. Several factors can influence your Venmo transfer limit, including account age. Newer accounts may have lower limits compared to older, established ones. Verification status. Verifying your identity with Venmo can often increase your transfer limit. Transaction history. A history of consistent and legitimate transactions can also raise your limit. Account activity. Frequent use of Venmo can positively impact your transfer limit. Payment method. The payment method you use, e.g., bank account, credit card, can affect your limit. Checking your Venmo transfer limit. To check your current Venmo transfer limit, follow these simple steps. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to your profile. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. View account settings. Select settings from the menu. Find transfer limits. Look for a section labeled limits or something similar. Check your limit. Within that section, you should see your current transfer limit. Understanding your limit. Once you've checked your limit, it's important to understand what it means. Daily limit. This is the maximum amount you can send or receive in a single day. Weekly limit. This is the maximum amount you can send or receive in a week. Monthly limit. This is the maximum amount you can send or receive in a month. Increasing your Venmo transfer limit. If your current transfer limit isn't sufficient for your needs, you can try the following to potentially increase it. Verify your identity. Provide additional information to verify your identity, such as a government-issued ID. Increase account activity. Use Venmo more frequently for small transactions to demonstrate regular use. Contact Venmo support. Reach out to Venmo's customer support team and explain your situation. They may be able to assist you in increasing your limit. Common transfer limit issues and solutions. Here are some common issues you might encounter related to transfer limits and their potential solutions. Temporary limit. If you've recently made large transactions or experienced unusual activity on your account, Venmo may temporarily lower your limit as a security measure. This limit should return to normal after a short period. Account restrictions. If you've violated Venmo's terms of service or engaged in suspicious activity, your account may be restricted, leading to a lower or even zero transfer limit. To resolve this, you'll need to address the underlying issue and contact Venmo support. Conclusion. Checking your Venmo transfer limit is a straightforward process that can help you avoid unexpected restrictions when sending or receiving larger amounts of money. By understanding the factors that influence your limit and taking steps to increase it if necessary, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience using Venmo. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any further questions or need more assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.